If you're an early career researcher or student who wants to improve how to plan, manage, and write in academia and beyond, you're in the right place. This channel is changing its focus, and I'm very excited to tell you why. I'm Dr. Gulsum Kulsharova. I got my PhD from University College London. Currently, I'm an assistant professor at Nazarbayev University in Kazakhstan. And I'm someone who has spent over a decade helping students and research to succeed in academia. If you've been here before, you probably know that all my videos were in Kazakh, and I'm very grateful to each of you for supporting me. I created this channel in order to help Kazakh students initially, and now I want to take that mission further. As you know, English is the main language of research, and I'm learning a new language of social media these days, and I hope that through those, I'll be able to share experience that I've gained either through my 9 years of studying, through my more than 5 years of professional activities, and through my living experience abroad. From now on, all my Kazakh videos will not be lost. They will be in a special archive playlist, and some of those I will be translating into English using AI tools. On top of that, I will be posting one original video in English per week. My videos will cover different types of topics, starting from planning your research like a project and ending with my personal experiences during study abroad as an international student. My goal is simple: to give you evidence-based practical advice that saves you time, reduces stress, and helps you grow as a confident, productive researcher. And simply, my goal is to share all that knowledge from working in this field and change for at least someone's life for better. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below where you're from and what kind of academic challenges you are facing, so I can answer your questions even better in my future videos. Stay tuned for my next video where I will talk about how to plan a research. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next video.